Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French. Avec moi, je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French. Avec moi, I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Comment ça va aujourd'hui? Ça va bien? Alors, how are you today? Are you good? Moi, ça va bien. Moi, je vais bien. This is a bonus episode to track your progress, and today I am challenging you. The challenge is, can you translate these 12 questions? Well, the holidays are coming. Have you been a good listener? So for that, today you will need to review some of our past episodes. Don't worry. If you have not listened to the past episode, this is a good way to gauge your French, to know what is your level of French and how are you with comprehension, and if you can quickly translate some very common questions. The questions will go from easy to difficult, not too difficult. Okay, I guess you're already tired of hearing me speaking English, but before I start, take down that on December 10th, yes, December 10th, I will have a free live on Facebook around the holidays. We will go over the vocab and we'll try to sing along a little song together. Again, it's on December 10th at 10:15 EST. Yes, I live on the East Coast of the United States, and that's why I speak with an American accent. So I apologize for other listeners around the world. I will be very bad with having an Australian accent, a Scottish accent, an English accent, a Wales accent. I have my own accent. I will put the transcript on the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com. All right, so est-ce que vous êtes prêts? Are you ready? Grab a pen if you have one, put it on pause, take your time. You're doing it for yourself. It's a challenge, and today I am challenging you to be able to translate these 12 questions, and you can speak along. Are you ready to speak French? I'll be right back after this short break. Alors, question 1. Are you free? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to reply. You can speak out loud or you can speak in your head. Are you free? Yes, the right answer is est-ce que tu es libre ou est-ce que vous êtes libre? Question 2. Where do you live? Yes, you can say tu habites où? T'habites où? I would prefer that you use the informal because usually it's a very informal question. Where do you live? Tu habites où? T'habites où? Question 3. How was it? And the answer was comment c'était? Comment c'était? Question 4. How come? And the answer is comment ça se fait? Comment ça se fait? Question 5. How was your day? And one answer you can use is comment s'est passée ta journée? Of course, there are other ways to ask, but that's the most common one. Comment s'est passée ta journée? It's getting more and more difficult. Question 6. What time do you close? Yes, the answer is à quelle heure fermez-vous? À quelle heure fermez-vous? Question 7. What did you say? And the answer is tu as dit quoi? Tu as dit quoi? Question 8. Do you want to do something? And the answer is est-ce que tu veux faire quelque chose? Est-ce que tu veux faire quelque chose? Question 9. Where are you from? And the answer is d'où viens-tu? Or tu viens d'où? D'où viens-tu? Tu viens d'où? Question 10. Great, you made it. Here are the last 3 questions. What are you thinking about? Tu penses à quoi? Tu penses à quoi? Question 11. How to do to go to the museum? Comment on fait pour aller au musée? Comment on fait pour aller au musée? And the last one, what does this mean? And the answer is, ça veut dire quoi? Ça veut dire quoi? You made it to the end. J'espère que vous avez répondu à toutes les questions. I hope that you replied to all the questions. Go back and listen to the episode again, or you can listen to the past episodes. I'm sure you did well, and I hope this is helpful for you to work on comprehension and speaking skills. I really enjoy sharing my knowledge with you to teach you how to speak French efficiently when you get to France. That's why the questions are using either Common Standard French or Spoken French. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Again, thank you for being such a good listener. Go to the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com and make sure to save the date. On December 10th, I will have a Facebook Live about the holidays. Merci, au revoir, à bientôt.